Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of our Flavors and Knowledge here. Today I want to teach you how to make a pasta verde, loosely translated into spinach pasta, a typical product that the people from Emilia-Romagna and Italy enjoy very much. And this recipe makes about 4 6 by 22 inches sheets of dough. This particular recipe comes from sisters and cooking teachers Valeria and Margherita Simili of the city of Bologna, again in Italy. These pasta sheets can be used to make lasagna or cut into squares or strips for various applications, typically ravioli and linguine. So let's begin with some of the ingredients that you're going to be needing. 2 bunches of spinach, washed and trimmed, 2 cups of 00 flour, 2 eggs lightly beaten. So far, it's very simple, don't you agree? Let's begin by put 1/4 cup of water into a large pot and bring to a boil over medium to high heat. Add the spinach and cook until completely wilted, about 2 minutes. Drain in a colander, and when cool enough to handle, squeeze out the water. Finally, chop the spinach and set aside for later use. Sift flour into a mound on a clean surface. Use your hand to make a well in the center. Add the spinach to the well, then add eggs and lightly beat together with a fork. Continue beating gradually, incorporating flour from the inside edge of the well into the spinach mixture. When the dough becomes too stiff to work with the fork, knead flour into spinach mixture with both hands until the dough is no longer tacky. Form the dough into a ball and cover with a damp cloth for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, clean a work surface, then dust with more 00 flour. Uncover the dough and knead with the heel of your hand until smooth for about 5 to 7 minutes. Cut the dough into 4 pieces and cover with a damp kitchen towel again. Working with 1 piece of dough at a time, flatten the dough so that it will fit through the rollers of a hand-cranked pasta machine. Set the rollers on the widest setting. Then feed the pasta through the rollers 3 or 4 times, folding and turning pasta until it is smooth and the same width as the machine. Decrease the setting by 1 notch and feed the narrow end of the pasta through the rollers. Repeat, decreasing setting by 1 notch each time until you get the last notch that it's available on your machine. Don't roll the pasta through the last setting or it will be much too thin. Cover the pasta sheet with damp kitchen towel to keep from drying out until you're ready to use. And that does it for some pasta verde, a quick basic recipe. I hope you find this enjoyable. Please try it in your kitchen, and if you should run into troubles in making it, you can always contact us here at Flavors and Knowledge, and we proudly assist you. If you're in the kitchen today or tonight, always keep your eyes on the fire, and we reconnect on the next round with another interesting episode. Stay well and eat well. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.